Welcome back, everyone. If you have watched part 1, you already know how amazing Great Wolf Lodge Atlanta looks like from outside. We explored the lobby, activity area, restaurants, and everything this resort has to offer. But now, the real fun begins. It's finally time to check in, grab our adventure passes, explore our room, and spend the entire day inside one of Georgia's biggest indoor water park. Check-in was surprisingly not that smooth and quick. We waited in a long line. The crowd is actually overwhelming. Finally, we got our room keys, but before going to our room, we collected our wolf passes. So if you're visiting Great Wolf Lodge for the first time, I highly recommend getting one of these passes. Instead of buying every activity separately, the Wolf Pass bundles many attractions together and also saves some money. Activities like mini golf, climbing the wall, bowling discounts, and arcade credits, and many more are included depending on the pass you choose. Since we know Ishana would want to try almost everything, getting the pass made complete sense for us. And honestly, the excitement had already started. So our first stop was the wand shop. This place immediately catches every kid's attention. Rows of magical wands, costume, dragons, treasure chest. It literally feels like you have walked into some fantasy movie. And of course, Ishana couldn't resist. She carefully picked her favorite wand and we decided to upgrade it slightly so she could enjoy complete MagicQuest experience. The staff explained how the wand works, activated it, and within minutes she was ready to become the little wizard. The best part of that, this isn't just a toy. Throughout the lodge, there are many magical objects, hidden areas where you wave your wand and suddenly the paintings move, treasure chests open, and dragons wake up. So watching her running around searching for the magic clues has honestly so much fun. Sometimes I think parents enjoy watching their kids more than the kids enjoy the game. So next stop is arcade. Northern Light Arcades. The moment you walk inside, the lights, music, and hundreds of arcade machines welcome you. Classic racing game, basketball, air hockey, claw machines, shooting games. There is something for every age. So of course we couldn't leave without playing few games ourselves. Let's just say the competition between us got a little serious. So winning tickets somehow becomes everyone's mission. Even adults become the kids again. Right. We are sitting outside the lodge because it's 4 o'clock check-in time, but our room it's not ready. It's 5 o'clock and still we are informed that our room is not ready. So we decided to wait in a lobby area now. We took a short trip to water park and after a long break, finally we got the message that our room is ready. So finally it was time to check into our rooms. We booked the standard double queen room. So the wristbands we got at check-in are the keys for the room, and to enter in water park, these wristbands are required. As soon as we entered, the room felt very clean, spacious, and very comfortable. There were 2 queen-size beds which easily accommodate a family of 4. The mattresses were comfortable. The room had mini refrigerator, coffee machine, television, microwave, and plenty of charging ports, and enough storage for luggage. The bathroom was also neat and well maintained. Although this is not one of the theme room, but it still had that cozy cabin style Great Wolf Lodge atmosphere. Since most of the day is spent outside enjoying the activities, I honestly think this room offers great value. After a quick refresh, it was finally time for the highlight of the trip. Again, we are entering in the water park and the moment door opened, wow, this place is massive. It's hard to believe this entire indoor water park is under one roof. The temperature stays around 84 degrees Fahrenheit all year around. So whether you visit during summer or winter, the fun never stops. So our first stop was the Mackenzie Fort and Ishana totally loved it. Without any doubt, this became Ishana's favorite area. The huge multi-level water tree house has bridges, climbing areas, sprayers, water cannons, small slides, and hundreds of interactive water features. Every few minutes, everyone starts counting together because the giant tipping bucket at the top fills with over 1,000 gallons of water before dumping everything below. When that huge splash comes, everyone screams, laughs, and immediately waits for the next one. Honestly, kids could spend hours here without getting bored. Once the warm-up was over, it was time for the slides. So Great Wolf Lodge has attraction for every thrill level. Let's start with Alberta Falls. This family raft rides take multiple riders together through twists and turns before splashing into finish. Perfect if you want to enjoy together as a family.
Ishana! God! How was it? How was it?
Very nice.
Very nice. No, you're not going alone. No.
So one more round for the ride, and this time I'll be going with Anshul.
I'm feeling very scared.
The next one is River Canyon Run. This is another family raft adventure with larger drops and faster curves. You definitely feel every turn then comes. This one is much more thrilling. The launch is very quick, the turns are very sharp, and before you realize it, the ride is over. So if you love adrenaline, then don't skip this one. Another exciting attraction is Howlin Tornado. Lazy River. After all these thrilling slides, I think we should slow down, और इसलिए ये Lazy River जो है ये मेरा तो पार्क का favorite attraction है. And you just sit on a tube, float slowly around and listen the water, simply relax. कोई rush नहीं है, कोई planning नहीं है, just enjoy the moments. So this is where parents finally get little break. One thing is really liked was that lifeguards were present everywhere, safety instructions were clear, and the staff was continuously monitoring every attraction. So parents can actually relax with kids enjoying. From a parent's perspective, this is what impressed me the most. You don't constantly feel stressed. The entire park is designed for families. There are plenty of lifeguards, a lot of seating, and changing rooms are nearby. Food options are also very convenient. तो सब कुछ बड़ा ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सा फील होता है. आपको बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है फूड के लिए. So you can generally spend the whole day here without wondering what to do next.
Sorry. थक गए क्या?
अरे इतना सारा सामान कैसे? 3 जूते, 2 भारी भारी बैग.
Water park is really big, so taking your stuff from one corner to another corner is itself a task. But our next attraction is wave pool and volleyball. So there was also a volleyball area where families were playing together, and it's nice that water park isn't only about slides. There were so many other ways to enjoy your time. So apart from these major attractions, there are dedicated splash zones designed specially for the toddlers and younger children's. Small slides, gentle fountains, interactive water toys, shallow pools, everything is built, keeping little ones safe while still making it exciting. After hours of running around, we definitely deserve a little treat. Naturally, ice cream time. Sometimes the simplest moments become the sweetest memory. A little break, a little sugar, and we were ready for more adventure. Evening and we are tired like anything, so we are heading towards our room, but there's a little party in the lobby, so we thought we should join that party. Everyone is completely exhausted, but excitement is not over because tomorrow we still had plenty of activities waiting. Morning everyone. So before starting today's adventure, we had one very important stop to make, the candy shop. One of the full little perks included with our Wolf Pass was a complimentary candy cup. So of course, we are not going to miss that. Ishana grabbed her cup and carefully started choosing her favorite candies, gummies, chocolates, sour candies, and colorful jelly beans. There were so many options that making a decision was probably harder than riding the water slides. सब कुछ ही लेना था हमें. And the best part is that you can fill the cup yourself, so every kid gets create their own little candy mix. With our sweet treat in hands and energy level full recharged, we are ready to take on the rest of the day's adventure. This is our day 2 of activities. The morning after breakfast, we started exploring the adventure activities included with our pass. So first, we are going towards the Rustic Ridge climbing wall. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, it is surprisingly fun. Our next stop was 10 Paw Alley, the bowling alley inside the Great Wolf Lodge. One thing I really liked is that you don't have to leave the resort to enjoy the activities like this. Everything is under one roof, making it super convenient for the families. The bowling alley has a cozy lodge-style atmosphere, and it's perfect whether you are playing seriously or just having fun together. They even have bumper lanes for the younger kids, so everyone gets a chance to score. And of course, once the game started, it quickly turned into a friendly family competition. Every strike felt like a championship win, and every gutter ball gave us another reason to laugh. Watching Ishana celebrate every pin she knocked down was honestly the best part. It wasn't about the score, it was all about spending quality time together and creating memories.
What was that?
Mini golf.
So finally it's time for mini golf. The course is beautifully themed and perfect for friendly competition. Of course, everyone believes they are the best golfer. Then we are going towards this Howlers Peak ropes area and walking across the suspended bridges high above the ground definitely test your balance. I'm not going there because they told me that my shoes are not the right kind for the activity, so I cannot go. So Anshul is joining Ishana. Ishana is totally fearless, but I am little bit skeptical. It's like they both are enjoying very much, and after looking at the height, I am saying to myself, thank God I'm not at it.
How is it, Anshu? Atta gade tu?
It was good. I did it first time in my life. Yeah, so टाइम था क्योंकि वहाँ पे पाँव रखने की जगह नहीं थी. पकड़ने वाले भी बहुत छोटे-छोटे थे. ऐसा लगा कि मैं गिर जाऊँगा.
Leaving the lodge, this is our final water park visit. Before checking out, we couldn't resist and we couldn't leave without visiting the water park one last time. Just one more slide, one more float around the lazy river, and one last splash. Somehow, those last 10 to 15 minutes always become another hour. And just like that, our Great Wolf Lodge adventure came to an end. If you're looking for a family gateway near Atlanta where kids stay entertained from morning till night, Great Wolf Lodge is definitely worth considering. Yes, it's not the cheapest vacation, but when you look at everything included, memories, activities, and quality family time, it really becomes a special experience. So if this video helped you to plan your visit, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in comments. Which water slides would you try first? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and let's pack your bags.